Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can view your previous comments on other people's posts inside Instagram. So let's go ahead and get right into it. We want to open up Instagram. And then in here, if it brings you to a home page like this, you want to go ahead and select the icon in the bottom right-hand corner. And then from here, you want to click or tap on the 3 horizontal lines. And then next, you want to go ahead and select where it says your activity. And in here, you're going to find a lot of important things that I'll make some future videos on. But one of the things that you can find here is interactions. And it says review and delete likes, comments, and your interactions. So we can go ahead and select this. And I like how it has it organized here. We see comments, so I can go ahead and select comments. And now this is just kind of like a account that I use for these videos. So I only have one comment here, but if you're using your real account, you're gonna be able to see all of the comments that you have ever made. So this is how you can view those comments. You could even delete them if you would like to. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.